this is what I have, and the challenge today is I want to get two very good shirts, something similar to this one, you know, which has a tropical beachy vibe. And the strategy today is to go to places where tourists do not go very often. So where I am right now, I am close to the Baga river. So this here is the Baga river, and there were some people there who were kayaking. It looks so nice, and I am close to this gorgeous chapel. I don't know the name of the chapel, but then yes, that side in the distance there are some shops. I don't see a lot of tourists, you know, visiting those shops, so I'm going to go there and see if we can get a bargain. So we are entering the first shop. Okay, so I just spoke to the lady here and she said she's not comfortable coming in the video, and I was like, that's not a problem at all. So let me show you her collection. So this side here looks more like ladies wear. We did visit Anjuna flea market recently, and the collection here looks very similar, very colorful and very tropical. And yes, these are, you know, the kind of shirts that I am looking for. And some more ladies wear over here. There are some nice looking kurtas there. Yes, now we are talking something very similar to what I want. So yes, and again this side there is ladies wear, so we can start from this side. ये क्या रेंज में है? ये सब टॉप्स
वो 350 500 तक है
500. Okay, so these are the tops that she's saying 500 short dress, but last price आप कितने में दे सकते हैं? 400, इससे कम नहीं.
1 पीस है ना
हाँ, बट आप बताओ क्योंकि आपको वीडियो से आएंगे लोग. शी सेइंग दैट.
उस टाइप का 350 का है काफ्तान
कौन सा वाला? ये 350.
350
So she's saying that this one is 350, so it sounds very reasonable, very good deal. और ये सब भी सेम रेंज में.
सब वो 600 रुपया वाला है
This one is 600.
वो 700 वाला है शाइनिंग वाला
This one is 700. Okay, so I like the rates already. She's not gone into the thousands. It's almost like 6 or 700 rupees. ये सब भी similar range. Okay, so all this is in similar range as well. So one of you guys commented that, you know, I need to go slow because you want to check the collection, I mean, sorry. So I hope this was at a good pace, shot at a good pace. And okay, so that's the ladies collection, and this here is for boys. Yeah, so you see these t-shirts, I love Goa t-shirts. ये कितने का है?
आई लव वो 150 टी शर्ट है
150 rupees for this t-shirt. 100.
100 रुपीस नहीं है
Okay,
दिस ऑल 350 इज
this
गुड
is
क्वालिटी
okay, this is
लो
350.
क्वालिटी
She's saying this is low quality, so this is 150. But if you, I think if you can take more, you can get a good deal, na?
normal price 150
Okay.
that is the last price
Okay, okay,
and this is all like sleeveless
okay. So all this is sleeveless over here, but I am specifically interested in shirts like these. So let me check the designs here. This one looks very nice. Let me find some in these. Large size में है. So look at this. So yes, it's perfect, you know, the
like
kind of design that I'm looking for. It looks very
short
good.
also.
And they have shorts as well. नहीं, shorts नहीं चाहिए. I don't want to be one of those people who have matching shorts and matching shirt. But yeah, this looks like a very good deal. He has a lot of shirts over here. I'm looking for something that is large in size. Okay, so because, you know, I want a large size shirt. So this one, the first one that she showed me, I really like the color. Okay, this one is very decent as well. Very nice colors, very soothing. I like something that is light in color. ये भी large size है.
large
ये
printed
this one is also good, but I think it's too colorful for me. I really like these, you know, which I, you know, like very mild shaded, very soothing. This one, yes, I like this one as well. So I want to bargain with her, and okay, there's one more shirt. So okay, I'll show you this one. I have to be cautious because she doesn't want to come in the video, right? So इसका last price आप बताओ.
ये 350 का है 300 तक है
300 last price, एकदम last. So she's saying that she's willing to give it for 300, which I don't think is a bad deal, but I told her that I have accepted a challenge and I need to see other places as well. So we will look around and see, and if her rate beats the other rates, we will definitely buy at least 2 shirts from her because I really like the shirts here. So I will ask her to keep it aside. ये जो है ना वो साइड में रख देना. Okay. 1 2 3 4. All right. So yes, let's go to some other places. Check out. I'm still in Baga, opposite the Baga river. We'll check some more stalls. They will even go to Kalangut, and if we can find better deals, we will buy it from there. But I have a strong feeling that she will beat all the deals. Anyway, stay tuned and keep watching till the end. So our second destination here is near this chapel. I'm still close to Baga, and this place is called Hotel Baga Inn. Okay, so these are the multiple stalls that you can find just opposite. Alright, so let me just get in here. I have come here before and I have purchased some t-shirts and everything. So yes, these guys as well, they do give a good deal. Let me talk to him. Boss, ये okay, so ये क्या रेंज में है?
850 का सेट
850. लास्ट प्राइस
800 में
800.
श्रग है वो
Okay, so this is like a shrug, and there's an inner inside. Not an expert when it comes to ladies wear, but since many of you are watching, I'm just covering this. Sub same range में
डिफरेंट प्राइस
800 700. हाँ.
डिफरेंट प्राइस
Okay, so he's saying that there are different prices, but still in similar to that range. So yes, there is a lot here, like we had seen in the Anjula free market video. These guys again have a similar, boho hippie sort of a collection. Okay, so there's more in here, and even these guys have the I Love Goa t-shirt that is black in color, and the tie-dye t-shirts. I really love these. I have like 2 or 3 of these. ये कितने का है बॉस? ये tie-dye कितने का है?
450 का
450. Okay, so he's saying 450 for that. Bargaining हो जाएगा. He's saying okay, you can. Last price?
If you want 2-3 piece I'll make discount. Okay,
How much last price?
350 last.
Okay, so he's saying if you take like 2 or 3 pieces of this, he can make it for 350. Again, so much collection here, guys. There's a lot. There are even shorts over here. I don't know what's this called, crop top or what, no idea, but yeah. Okay, now I'm sure the ladies who are watching the video, you all will really enjoy this because there's so much of ladies collection everywhere I'm going. Again, there are t-shirts here as well. And okay, so this is the section that I am interested in. This guy here has t-shirts with a dollar tag. So yeah, obviously not the OG ones, but yeah. Okay, so what I like is the material of these shirts is very good. ये क्या range में?
950
950. Yeah, so this is like
प्योर कॉटन है
pure cotton, and as soon as you touch it you can feel it as well. और इसका last price कितना?
350 this 550
This is 350 and this is in the 550 range. Okay, so this I am not sure. Summer के लिए अच्छा है. Okay, alright, so these have like holes on it. So इसका ये क्या last price कितना आएगा इसका?
350 का 300 में
300 में. So he's saying he's the gentleman here opposite to Baga Inn Hotel, and he's saying that last price he can give this for is 300, और ये वाला 900 absolute last. Okay, so he is not willing to reduce that much because the quality is very good. Let me show you this one as well behind. Very nice colors. I kind of really like these. So yeah, look at this. He's got like light and dark and all sorts of collection. Look at this. This shirt looks so good. I mean, you can use it as like party wear or casual wear, everything. And this one as well. So very good collection. The material stands out, guys. The design also stands out. Okay, now let's head in here. So these are some shirts that are available for ladies. Again, like I said, most of the shops here have really colorful ladies clothing. इसका कितना है बॉस?
ये 550 का.
ओके, सो दिस वन इज़ 550 एंड ये भी सिमिलर रेंज में.
400.
Okay, this is 400. So, like I said, you know, before the rates in Anjuna flea market were going in the thousands, if I remember. But here, still, you know, it's like around 600, 700, 400, 500. All the collection that he has, quite a lot. As you can see here, the stall is very good, very big as well. And I have come here before, I have purchased some t-shirts, so I highly recommend this place as well. Okay, so we've covered this one. Now, since we've covered two places in Baga, let me also go to Kalangut and check what's the collection available over there. So we have reached our third and final stop, and where we are is, you know, where opposite the Kalangut circle. So that side there is a Kalangut circle, and I've come in this lane here, right inside, and those who've been following us, watching our videos, you might know Ban 31 is just around the corner here. Okay, so let's head inside and see what they have. It's quite a big shop. They have footwear, and then they have these shirts as well, the striped shirts. And again, the lady here, she wasn't comfortable coming in the video, and we respect that. But yes, they have these cool bags for ladies, and look at these small bags, they look so nice. ये कितने का है? 300. Okay, so this is 300, and these are the Goa bags which I highly recommend. I have one of these as well. और इसका 250, कम नहीं होगा? 150. Okay, she's saying 200, and yes, multiple bags here. ये क्या range में? 500. Okay, so these look like good deals as well. Ladies, if you all are watching, you all are better judges of this. I really do not know. Adrienne couldn't come with me, unfortunately. She has some work at home. And look at this, they have these fridge magnets here as well. This you get for like 50 rupees or 100 rupees depending upon the kind of magnets you want. Okay, and a lot of ladies collection here again. Iska range 700, 800.
650, 500.
Okay, so she's saying 500 and 650. So again, sounds like a reasonable deal. She's not going in the thousands, so yes, like I said, you know, compared to Anjuna flea market, I think these rates are a bit on the lower side. Correct me if I am wrong, I do not remember the rates, but we do have a video. Okay, so let's get in there and check out some more of our collection. So there are some shorts as well. Says H&M over here, but I don't know. Okay, so again, lots and lots of ladies wear. Again, there are shorts here. So there's so much here already. So this lady here, she has these shirts, and she said that it's for 200. Good deal, but then look at this, there is a bit of a, you know, color mismatch. So but yeah, still a very good deal. 200 rupees for these shirts is very nice. Material is very thin, so it's very good for this weather. And even if you can use it for a few months, you know, it's quite a good deal. And she said that these ones here are for 300 rupees. So again, very good prices. And let me show you the footwear just in case you are interested. I really like the rates of this shop and the first one that we had gone to. Actually, the first one is where I really like the shirts and the prices and everything. So I'm going to go there and try to, you know, she said 300, let me try to bring it down to 250. I think 250 is a okay price. I don't want to, you know, bargain a lot as well, because they deserve, and you know, it's going to be off season. It's already off season, but rainy season their stalls are not open. So 250 I think is a good price. So I had asked her to keep these aside for me. She has done that. And you know, the other shop we had seen 200, but I didn't like the design much. But these ones here look very good. तो इसका कितने का है बताओ, फाइनल प्राइस?
300 पड़ेगा भैया लास्ट.
300.
हाँ.
कम करो थोड़ा, कुछ तो कम करो.
550 कर दो दोनों का लास्ट.
550 नहीं, 500. Because we are making a 500 video challenge, not because of that, she doesn't know that. 500
ओके डन
दो लेगा आपसे.
ओके
Okay, so she's agreed for this, and let me just shortlist. So this is one that I like. I want a large size. I've asked her to remove it and keep. I need to wear it. Unfortunately, there's no changing room, so I'll have to, you know, wear it on top of this only. So let me take this one and एक मिनट हाँ नहीं ये नहीं वो ग्रीन वाला बताना. So there's another one there. Yeah. I didn't like this initially much, but I think this is a good design. I don't have something like this, you know, in these colors. So this looks pretty okay as well. So I'm going to try both these out. That's how it looks on me. So I'm very happy with the design of the shirt and the stitching, the buttons, everything. The material is good, very light and, you know, very perfect for this weather. Okay, so this one I'm happy with. I'm going to take this one. Now let's try the other one. It's a bit contradictory to say that, you know, not going for food vlogs has helped me to stay in shape, but I'm sorry guys, you know, you've been following us for our food vlogs, but yes, playing football on Sundays helps as well. And as you can see again here, I'm very happy with the second shirt. So 250 rupees for one shirt, 500 rupees for two. Superb deal, and these are perfect for the vlogs, you know, because I keep going out in the sun and, you know, very light material, it feels great. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Once again, let me show you exactly where these guys are. That there is United Baga Kayaking. This side here is the Baga River. This is some restaurant here, Savaria restaurant, and this is the stall, the shop I mean. So yes, these guys have a good collection. It's small indeed, but the rates are very good, and I'm very happy with what I've got today. Yes, for 500 I've got two shirts. Very good deal indeed. Ye lijiye. So I'm happy today, and like I said, you know, they are diagonally opposite United Baga Kayaking. You can come here, and in case if you're wondering why I gave cash, I had cash, but obviously they have UPI as well. So until the next one, take care, stay safe and stay positive.